Hey there, fellow road warriors. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of driving. Whether you're a complete newbie or just looking to brush up on your skills, this guide is your ticket to becoming a confident and competent driver. So buckle up, adjust your mirrors, and let's hit the road. Alright, before we get behind the wheel, let's talk about the basics. Driving isn't just about pressing pedals and turning the wheel. It's about understanding the rules of the road, mastering vehicle control, and staying safe at all times. First things first, you need to familiarize yourself with your vehicle. Take some time to adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure maximum comfort and visibility. Don't forget to buckle up safety first, always. Now, let's talk about the dashboard. Your dashboard is like the control center of your car, giving you vital information about your speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and more. Get to know what each gauge and indicator means, so you can keep tabs on your car's health while you're on the road. Next up, let's talk about the pedals: gas, brake, and clutch. If you're driving a manual, your gas pedal controls your speed, while the brake pedal helps you slow down or stop. And if you're driving a manual transmission, the clutch pedal is your best friend for shifting gears smoothly. The steering wheel, your trusty companion on the road. Remember to keep your hands at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions for optimal control and maneuverability. And when making turns, always signal in advance and check your blind spots to avoid any surprises. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the rules of the road. Always obey speed limits, traffic signs, and signals. Use your turn signals when changing lanes or making turns. And remember to yield to pedestrians and other vehicles when necessary. And of course, never ever drink and drive, it's just not worth the risk. Parallel parking, the bane of many drivers' existence. But fear not, because I'm here to make it easy for you. Start by finding a spot that's big enough for your car, then line up your vehicle parallel to the curb. Use your mirrors and backup camera, if you have one, to guide you, and don't be afraid to take it slow. With practice, you'll be parallel parking like a pro in no time. Driving isn't always smooth sailing. Sometimes you'll encounter rain, snow, or uneven terrain. When driving in adverse conditions, remember to reduce your speed, increase your following distance, and be extra cautious with your maneuvers. And if things get really hairy, don't hesitate to pull over and wait it out until conditions improve. Intersections can be a bit tricky to navigate, but with the right approach, you'll breeze through them like a pro. Always come to a complete stop at stop signs and red lights, and yield to traffic already in the intersection. When turning left, yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians, and always keep an eye out for cyclists and motorcyclists. Defensive driving is all about anticipating potential hazards and reacting accordingly. Stay alert, scan the road ahead, and be prepared to react to any unexpected situations. Maintain a safe following distance, and never assume that other drivers will do the right thing. Always be ready to take evasive action if necessary. Finally, let's talk about what to do in case of an emergency. If your car breaks down or you're involved in an accident, safely pull over to the side of the road and turn on your hazard lights. Call for help if needed, and stay inside your vehicle until assistance arrives. And remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, so keep a roadside emergency kit in your car at all times. Well, folks, that concludes our crash course, pun intended, on driving. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to get out there and clock some miles behind the wheel. And always remember to drive responsibly, because the safety of yourself and others is the most important thing of all. Happy motoring, and I'll see you on the road.